Save the trees, save the earth. We are the guardians of nature's world.
The world is beautiful because of its natural resources. We should consider it and we must preserve it.
Very long time to degrade. It is polluting our environment and degrading the fertilization of our land. So we all do hereby pledge that we will say no to plastic bags and stop using plastic bags. We will use reusable cloth bags only. And we will keep our city clean, and beautiful.
Never deceives us. It is always we who deceives ourselves. Nature Conservation Day is celebrated every year on 28th July. The main purpose of celebrating World Nature Conservation Day is to conserve the plants and animals that are extinct from the natural environment of the earth. In today's time, we are facing many problems due to natural imbalance. Among them are global warming, rising temperature, natural disasters, etc. Its side effects are just beginning to appear. Man comes in contact with nature from birth. Conservation of resources has an important role in protection of nature. Balance can be established in the natural beauty of the earth from the various components of nature: water, air, soil, energy, etc. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated every year for the purpose of creating awareness about this. If the nature cannot